Hey everyone! Hey! Aircraft up ahead! 6 o'clock! Nanny! Aircraft up ahead! 6 o'clock! Aircraft everyone! Aircraft everyone! Aircraft! There's an aircraft! Aircraft at 12 o'clock. Alright. Here we go, guys. I don't know what kind of aircraft. Woo! Aircraft, baby. Yeah, baby. All right. Part 4, everyone, and we just got an aircraft to take a landing. Arrival. There's an arrival. Yeah, there's an arrival right there. Really good. Huh? Okay, everyone, I know this is a short part, but this is Stop Motion Pilot with the final part. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.